Hello everyone, welcome to Downtown Tailoring. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix your slider zipper in your jacket or coat. And stay until the end because I promised you all kind of examples to solve all your doubts. So let's go. We have here a beautiful moss green puffer and the zipper is not working properly. The first thing you have to do is to check if the teeth are all okay. And then you should check what kind of zipper you have. In this case, we have a Coil zipper with the slider number 7. I have boxes full of slider. So I pull out the one with the coil and I'm looking for the size 7. I told the customer size 7 is not too standard and I have it just on black, but the customer knows about that. So I will see which side the slider goes, and then with the help of the cutting plier, I will remove the stopper. And then I will pull out the original slider and then I will compare with the one that I have, number 7. I compare the sizes to see if they look alike and it's looking good. So I will go and put it on in my zipper. Sometimes you have to wiggle a little bit, but don't worry, you can do it. Then I will try on to see if it's okay. Yeah. And what I have to do is just to put a stopper. I have two kind of stopper and this one is better for coil and the other one is better for plastic and metal zipper. So I will insert the part that has the two teeth and then I will just squeeze it and now it won't bite. And here you go, the zipper is ready. 5-minute alteration and my customer can enjoy her puffer. The next one is as well a coil zipper. So it's basically the same concept. I check that everywhere is okay. These are my pliers. If you are a little bit more curious about all the materials you need, I have another short video and very informative about it and the link is on the bio. Well, I go there again, take my box of coil zipper, and this time I will look for a black number 5 coil zipper. In this case, I wanted to show you this one because the edge is sewn in a different way. You see, this zipper I think was replaced, so they finished by inserting the zipper inside of the coat. In that case, I have to open the stitches and pull out the extra zipper, put my slider, try to see if it's good, all good, and then I will push it back again inside my coat, and then I have to go to my sewing machine and stitch this one back. Don't be intimidated with the small details. You have now the zipper done and it's all good for my customer. A short time investment for a long time of use. At first glance, this one looked the same, but it's not. It's a coil, but the coil, as you see, is at the inside. If you see this zipper on the front, the coil is outside. You see, this makes the waterproof zippers. So the slider is slightly bit different. As you can see, they look the same, but the one with the normal coil has the biggest part, the white part at the top, and the other one has the white part at the bottom. The white part is the one that encased the coil. So I'm checking that all the zipper is okay, and then I will do exactly the same. As you can see, this top is a little bit different, but we do exactly the same in all of them. Some of them you have to break it, some of them you just remove them and put them back, and that's it. I'm inserting the new slider and I will try to see if it will be okay, and it's all good. And this is my stop. I already showed you last time, and I will just put it on And remember that you will struggle a little bit. It's okay to struggle, do it. And in this particular zipper, it's a little bit rough because of sometimes the salt. I'm putting a little bit of wax and then I will steam the wax so it melt down on the zipper, and now the zipper is all good. And this case is exactly the same case, but you cannot see from far that is inverted coil zipper. This one is not really waterproof, so that's why you can get confused. I just showing it to you so you can see that you will find those zipper inverted all the time, and don't get surprised when you find it. Put the same slider, this is number 5 as well, and it's all good to go. Those squares look good in every season. This one is a kind of different one. This is a pajama and it's not a detachable zipper. And you know, this slider is number 3. I wanted just to show you. This is a number 3 zipper. It's very small and it has a plastic stopper at the bottom. In this case, I'm being very gentle, very delicate to remove this stop so I can insert my new slider. I first will pull out the original one outside, and then when the slider is out, I will go to my sliders box to see if I can find a proper slider for this zipper. I have a little bag with the out, but the one that I have are 2.5, but the zipper is 3. So I will go and find one zipper size 3 that I have. Sorry, that's the only green that I found. Sometimes you just can't. But I think this one after is on, it doesn't look that bad. And when you put it, sometimes it's not good. And then you have to remove it and put it okay until it's good. Then I will put the stopper, and as you can see, this stopper is different because it covers both sides of the coils. And then I will press it, and I see that some people mash it with a hammer. Some people hammer it, but I really wanna be able to remove it if I need it. And look how cute these Christmas PJs are. If my kids were small, ooh, I would put them in this, but they disobey me. They grew up. Let's go to another kind of zipper, metal zipper. I pull out my metal case and then I will try to find the same size. In this case, it's number 5. This is the most common, but you can find it any size 7, 8, 10. And in this case, what happened is that the customer is missing 2 teeth, but they are at the top, so we can just stop there and he will be okay. I put my slider in the same way, and I choose now a very big stopper that can cover the holes for the missing teeth. And here you go, it's all done. And now we have this tiny little cute coat. Look at the back, but the zipper. This zipper seems to me like it's not a regular zipper. I will pull out my plastic slider case and I will try to see if my normal sliders can fit in that zipper. I don't know the colors. I will try to find a nice color too, maybe black or silver. I'm really not sure if the zipper will fit. So I will start trying with the regular 5 slider, which is the most common one, but as you can see, it seems that it's too small. Then I will see if a size 8 will do, but the size 8 seems a little bit too big. Maybe a size 7 will fit, but my supplier doesn't have the size 7. Still I'm trying, but I see that no, impossible. I'm sorry. This one was a fail. Sometimes you will find zippers that are not standard, but this is rare. In this case, we are going to replace the zipper. And remember that we have a video about how to replace zipper and coat. This is our last example. This is another plastic zipper. This one I can see from far that is a standard 5 But the real problem here is that the slider is kind of a squish. I don't know where my customer put it, and I might break the teeth trying to removing that slider. I'm helping myself with the plier, one holding, the other opening, and yeah, I'm able to move my slider and I can now slide it and remove it from the zipper. Again, as you know, I break the stopper, take the slider out, it's all damaged, but don't worry, we have a lot. And I wanted to show you, this is a number 5 plastic slider. But the plastic slider, even if they are the same, they come in two ways. See, one looks like a crown and the other looks like an inverted pear. And even though they are same size, the crown one is a little bit smaller, like a kind of a little tighter. And the one with the pear shape fit in the other, but the other doesn't fit in that. So it's good to know that. And here you go, it works perfectly. And now I will choose a stopper. And this one is number size stopper. And I will just put it with my plier. This one is very easy to put. And you can use a number 10. My colleagues all the times use the number 10 because they feel like it's better. And it's all done. So guys, I think I covered a lot of practical examples. If you find this video useful, please give us a like and let me know in the comment if you dare to fix your own jacket after seeing this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe, share. Bye!